this is the side of house that I don't like to come to.
Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, it's all about helping my college student clean her room, and I'm thankful that we are getting this taken care of today. Parents, if you have any children in college, you got to give them grace. They have a lot going on. They are stressed out about their life that they're about to partake in. Once they graduate, they're stressed out about their exams. So we definitely want to give them grace and just help them along the way. In my daughter's case, she already has one degree from The Ohio State University. She's about to get another one, and we are having a party in May. But I told her she is not allowed to move out of this house. And what I say goes, okay? Especially when it comes to that, like for real. I want to support her in the best way possible. Just because you are at the age of 18, so to speak, that does not mean you're an adult. Since she has been in college and has been working so hard because she also has a job, I told her, girl, you are not moving out until you are ready. Make sure you have some money saved and all that great stuff. I just don't want her out in this world unprepared. And you know what? You may not agree with that, and that's okay, because as for me and my house, you already know. If you know, you know. At any rate, if you are new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life, so it's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, all of that great stuff. We also do some repairs over here in these YouTube streets. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Show that like button some love, y'all. I feel like I'll be begging for likes. Do you know that that is one of the best ways that you could actually support a YouTuber? Now, I will admit there are a few times that I got really overwhelmed in this video. Let me explain. I get anxious when there's a lot of stuff all over the place, which is why my house is the way that it's set up and the way that it is. And this is how I like it and how I do things. Everybody is different, so I'm not going to get on here and judge somebody for being a hoarder. So don't judge me for wanting a clean house. So there's going to be a lot of banter back and forth with her and I, just me saying, okay, where should this go? Where should this go? Maybe you should come over here. I'm getting a little anxious, that sort of thing. But what matters most is we got it accomplished, and it really didn't take that long. So if you're nosy like me and you're peeking in her closet, you can see that the paint at one point was a different color. Sometime last year, it might be over a year, don't tell nobody, I painted a primer on the wall of just white because she decided she wanted a different color in her room, and now hopefully we'll be getting that paint soon. I know I've been saying that before if you've been here and I've been cleaning her room with her, but hopefully we'll be getting that paint soon so that we can get it handled because she's ready to hang up things on her wall, which I don't blame her. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. Let me know what interesting things you're working on and what goals have you accomplished thus far in 2025. Let's talk about fear for a second, because sometimes fear will hold you bound, right? It'll completely paralyze you. But try to step out on faith and conquer some of those fears that you have. I conquered a really difficult conversation that I've been wanting to have for a year, and God saw that it was not necessary for me to have it before it actually happened, because it probably would not have ended well. But since I've had that difficult conversation, things are definitely much better, and people know that we all have boundaries, and you crossing a boundary when you're being disrespectful. You know what I mean?
So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of love. I'm tired of always see the better in people or the things that matter. But I never could have thought that in my bag, it was you. In the echoes of your lies, dear. Can you hear me harmonize? I'm so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of
I very much love to read encouraging quotes. I'm that type of person that if I have one negative thought that crosses my mind, I try to replace it with 3 positive thoughts just because I don't want to be caught up in that negativity. That's an energy that is hard to get away from, let me tell you. Anyway, I read this quote by Meghan Markle. That is my sister. She is absolutely beautiful, and I liked her before she became a duchess. I liked her back in her Hallmark days. I have a whole story about that. I was watching this Hallmark movie, and I kept looking at the actress like, she does not fit in with this family. Why doesn't she fit in with this family? And for some reason, it bothered me, so I Googled her. The Ohio State University, okay? And she about to get another one. Boom! Okay, that was a proud mom moment. Anyway, so the quote that she has is about women's rights. The quote says, "Equality does not put anyone on the back foot. It puts us all on the same footing, which is a fundamental human right." That is just so fitting for right now in this climate that we live in. So after I actually Googled her, then I realized why she didn't fit in. And it reminded me of that movie, Imitation of Life. If you know, you know. There are a few other quotes that she had that were amazing, but it all brought me back to, if you do not stand for something, you are going to fall for anything. As much as I would love to go deeper, I want y'all to hear the music because this is Revel Day and I absolutely love him.
You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go? Sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith. Your fixed ideas clouding up your mind. Won't stop until common sense applies. The sun illuminates ahead. Need you to let go. Side while you tumble, way below the waves. Undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
I cleaned off the doors with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant because I had about 2 more weeks of product left before I have to find a new product. And let me tell you, I'm doing all of the research in the world to find the best disinfectant. So thank you for those who have reached out to me to let me know what disinfectant you use. I'm just really particular about what I use to clean my home with. You have to remember, I'm a professional cleaner. So I'm not going to use anything that's going to leave like a lot of streaks and that sort of thing. I want it to be a clean, crisp product that's not going to leave any kind of residue. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate you. Let me know below in the comments if you can relate to having a college student and just wanting to help them out as much as you possibly can. The month of March is definitely going to be busy for us. My birthday is March 3rd. My daughter's birthday is March 18th. The weekend of March 1st, we'll be traveling to Pennsyltucky, which is Pennsylvania. If you've been here for a while, you know I'll call it Pennsyltucky. And we are going to go to a graduation party. My little cousin is also graduating from college, so we're going to attend her graduation party. And then on March 20th is my anniversary with my husband, so obviously we are going to spend that weekend and do something fun. I also have an event with 614 Us, and my little cousin's having a baby shower. He is having twins. So March is going to be really, really busy. I'll try to put out as much content as I possibly can. When I don't put out videos, just know that I'm putting out shorts at least 3 times during that week. But definitely go and check out the short videos that I put out. What in the reverse psychology stalker type situation is this song? Are y'all feeling them vibes? Because I definitely am, but I'm keeping it on here because I like the beat.
So, what's it gonna be? You gotta give me something.
So I want to show you how I can get through the room now. You can see on the floor now. When I tell you, I was so thankful to be done because your girl was covered in dust. But very thankful that we got her room accomplished and conquered.
Here is the trash from the bedroom.
We'll be alright.